Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on energy saving mode on your LG Smart TV. Okay, first grab your remote and press settings button or click settings icon top of the screen. After that, click all settings button bottom right corner. Once you are in all settings, you can see supports menu. In the support menu, you will find energy saving options. Now click on it to see energy saving settings. By default, energy saving default is turned off. You can choose auto, minimum, medium or maximum. I will select auto for now. After selecting your perfect mode, it's all set. Your TV will be use less energy, helping you save electricity bill. That's it. Quick and easy energy save in your LG Smart TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share Nera Everything channel. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I will reply to all. Thanks for watching.